Hey, let's draw Kermit. Okay, we'll start with his eyes. Now his eyes are kind of funky. They start off with two circles, just like any other eye, with a space in between. You can start by doing two circles for the inside, and then there's a diagonal line across those two circles. That's what makes unique eyes. Then we're going to do his head is kind of the shape of a diamond, so the top's going to have a bent line, and then the sides of the face are going to be bent as well, and the chin. Then we'll do his mouth. His mouth is a little less bent, and it's got some ticks on the side with a smile, and then we'll make his mouth open. In the middle we'll have his tongue. It's like a half circle with a line in the middle. Then we'll do the little thing around his neck with a bunch of triangle shapes. Now we'll do his arms. His arms are pretty skinny. We'll just do some straight lines, and then bend at the elbow, and then bend at the hand. He's got long fingers that are squared off, almost like little French fries. And then we'll finish that hand there. Next we'll do a little bit of his belly. It's like a big oval. And then we'll do the arms on the other side. Just do two straight lines that bend up. And then we'll do his hand, his thumb sticking out like a French fry. And then we'll go to his fingers. 1, 2, and a third one. Now we can do his legs. He's got skinny legs. Straight line, then bend. And then on the outside, the same thing. Straight line, down. And then for the feet, the flippers, we're going to do 3 little pointy shapes like triangles for the toes. Then we'll do the exact same thing on the other side for the legs. Straight line, bent. And then the foot with the 3 toes. There, he's done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.